Oh Lord, he coming! I'm Kurt, and I'm in an Acura NSX Type S. And over there, that's Chris, and he's on a Kawasaki H2R. Let's get to U-Drags.
Well, today we're doing something a little different. We have Madman Chris Moore riding a 2017 Kawasaki Ninja H2R with 305 horsepower, 121.5 pound-feet of torque, and a whopping 476 pounds. Going up against a 2022 Acura NSX Type S with 600 horsepower and 492 pound-feet of torque that weighs just a little more than the bike. These two are going head-to-head on our Edmunds U-Drag track, which starts with the quarter-mile drag, then they hit the brakes, do a 180, and power back to start-finish. At the end of the first run, we'll swap lanes and do it again. Normally, we'd swap drivers, but we're gonna go ahead and skip that this time. What if I told you we just might do this again with a Porsche? Would you like and subscribe then? Come on. Oh yeah, you looking to buy a new car or sell your old one? Head to Edmunds.com for all your car shopping needs. Shop with Edmunds. Get more Edmunds U-Drags. You know you want to.
All right, so how do I get this bike off the line? It's not too difficult. There's a big knob down here. When you're in Sport Plus, you turn it one more twist and hold it for a few seconds, and then track mode shows up on the dashboard. Once you get that, it's pretty simple. You just put your left foot on the brake, right foot on the gas, wait a second or two, and yeah, you just take your foot off the gas and hang on tight. I mean, I don't know what I can do to win. I mean, if you don't know who Chris is, check his YouTube channel, check his Instagram. He is a drag racer and he is a moneymaker, and I think he might win. Let's see.
We made one practice pass, it went good, we felt fine. Now it's time to do it in competition against the Acura NSX Type S, a $200,000 supercar against a $60,000 motorcycle that has entirely too much horsepower. So we got hella top end, but we almost got a little too much power to be launching this thing. Trying to keep it down, plus getting out of a turn, definitely challenging.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh man, there he goes, look at that! Showboating and hauling ass, that's what Chris Moore does. Turn, 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 turn. Give me that all-wheel drive traction, man, I need it.
The car just passed me. Here we go, baby, come on, H2.
I need to go, man, I need to go. Oh Lord, he coming! He's coming! Come on, duck down! Killer! That's killer.
Whoa! Holy cow, that was close!
That's what a race looks like, man.
Man, that was awesome. I can't believe how close it was. I felt like I was way out in front. I braked a little soft, thinking you were not there. Next thing I know, you're right beside me and back in front by a long ways.
I just watched you leave and you just looked like you were showing off, but I know that you got to work to keep that front wheel on the ground, but holy hell, dude, that was so bitchin' watching you catch up again.
Yeah, you have no idea. Like, this thing is literally wheelie on control. Yesterday in practice, I did really good. I felt okay. But then today, once I know there's competition, pushes me a little harder and the bike stayed with the front end in the air.
How soon after you get around that corner can you really open it up? Do you have to wait till you cross like 100 miles an hour?
Yeah, I was at the top of 5th gear when I crossed the finish line. I was definitely rolling some serious speed.
That just looks so good. I can't help but laugh, man. That was bitchin'.
You did some good driving yourself because you were way behind, and the next thing I know, you were way in front of me.
If you look over here, how's my hair? Is it okay?
You make me sick. You sure you don't want to try this thing one time? It's easy.
I mean, if I tried it, it would be one time, and that'd be it.
Yeah, it's definitely more challenging than I may make it look, that's for sure.
Well, let's switch sides and run that again.
Let's do it. All right, I gotta do better on the launch, dude. Like, I launched soft because I thought the NSX was slow, I ain't gonna lie. But dude, I kept the front end in the air way too long. I gotta keep that front end down. So this time, I've gotta turn left. I know that doesn't sound like much difference, but I've been practicing turning right. So turning left is a little different, especially for me, a guy that goes straight.
I have air conditioning. He's faster and braver. He's cooler, he's wealthier. I have air conditioning.
Five, four, three, two, one.
Oh, dude. All right, I gotta brake right, then I gotta try and square this corner off because this thing does understeer.
Come on, baby, get turned around.
And I need to use all the traction on the way out. Come on, let's go, go, go!
Oh, he's way out there.
Oh man, not again. Not again. I'll lose that every time. I thought you said you liked going right more than going left.
I kept the front end down a lot better that time.
Looked like you had more of a wild ride on the way out.
Yeah, for sure. That wind really makes this thing dance around a lot in the front end.
No, I'm sure. I mean, even with all that carbon fiber aero that you got on the front, the bike still wants to fly.
Yeah, I think those wings are helping it come off the ground. It definitely would leave.
I tried really hard. I tried to square off the hairpin at the end, and I thought I got a pretty good run, but you know, I can't get good enough of a run to get far enough in front of that bike because it was coming.
I feel like I was about the same in the turn, but I was definitely better coming down. The launch was much smoother, and I was able to keep the second and third gear wheelie controlled, and that's what helped me get the win. Best 2 out of 3 it is. We're back in the right lane. We got our little practice. We're about to make that NSX cry.
We got to do this again because the first one was so close we had to play it back again. I pipped him. U-Drags, baby.
You know what time it is, boys? Time to shake and bake, baby.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I need all the help I can get.
Bye-bye.
Oh, look at that. Showboating, kicking ass.
We got to get turned around and going the other way in a hurry.
I got to square this corner off again. Glad this thing has carbon ceramic brakes on it.
Yeah, that's right, guys. Let's turn around.
Wait, patient. Go. Go, go, go.
Come on, baby. Oh, he's way out front.
Come on. Oh, I don't think I've got enough distance. Oh man, here he comes.
Here I come, baby.
Killer, dude. How can you be mad at losing when it looks so goddamn cool?
This H2R was rolling on the top end. Man, what a fun race. This U-Drags is so fun. How can we figure out how to get this back home?
Well, there you go. You got it.
Yeah, that was a good run, man. I felt like you got the head start on me a little bit with the good launch, and I was right there. I set the front end down, and this thing went to work.
Yeah, I mean, I cannot be mad when I watch you pull away on one wheel. I'll lose like that every day.
Yeah, at that point, you're wishing the floorboard was a little bit farther in front of you so you had a little more room to push the pedal.
Looked like you got a better launch out of this one, kind of like in race number 2, you were able to hold that front wheel down.
The first time, I'm not gonna lie, I underestimated you a little bit. I thought I was gonna pull away, and I said, oh, this is gonna be an easy race. Nah, not the case. That thing boogies through the turns.
Yeah, I gotta lean on this car's all-wheel drive pretty hard, but I gotta be careful because if I get on the power too soon, the front end in this car tends to wash wide, so it won't really rotate that well, so I just gotta be really patient. But I got you in my mirror. I don't want to be patient. I gotta get the hell out of here.
You think you gotta be patient? I can't lock the corner. Literally, I lock it about, half track coming back. Third gear, the thing is still floating the tire, and I'm trying to turn it and get it straight.
At least all your hard work looks really rad.
All right, after changing my pants, let's talk best numbers. 0 to 60, the winner goes to the Kawasaki at 3 seconds flat. In the quarter mile, the Ninja takes it again at 10 seconds at 117.6 miles an hour. By the way, he had to hit the brakes before to make the turn. Max cornering goes to all 4 wheels of the NSX, pulling 1.13 Gs. And the best time goes to the Kawasaki at 32.4 at 174.4 miles an hour, only 0.7 seconds faster than the NSX. It's time for the leaderboard. The Kawasaki comes in 5th, right above the M3 competition, with its time of 32.4 to 174.4 miles an hour. And the NSX comes in right below the Lucid Air with a time of 33.1 at 136.1. And if you want to see the official leaderboard, head over to edmunds.com/U-Drags.
Honestly, I didn't think it was going to be quite that close, but this car with its all-wheel drive, with the extra traction, I'm happy about what it did, but what do you think about it?
It was definitely a good run. I'm not gonna lie, the first race definitely surprised me. I let you get way too far out in front. I had to do everything I could do to just get back as close as I did.
Yeah, I just loved looking back and I was like, here he comes.
Yeah.
Here he comes. So cool.
This thing definitely makes serious steam up top.
Yeah. Well, if you like that one, make sure to click like and subscribe for more U-Drag action. I'm hungry.